Introducing the Ram 1500 BigHorn 4x4. With its eye-catching hydro blue pearl exterior, this truck is designed to make a statement. Under the hood, you'll find a beastly 3.0-liter i6 Hurricane single overhead twin-turbo ESS engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth, powerful performance. Safety features like adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go technology and blind spot detection ensure you stay safe on every journey. Inside, the black deluxe cloth bucket seats offer much comfort. Stay connected with the Uconnect 5 system and its 8.4-inch touchscreen, while the BigHorn Level 1 equipment group adds heated front seats and an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat. With a 26-gallon fuel tank, remote start system, and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, the Ram 1500 BigHorn is built for those who live life to the fullest. Visit whitesidecars.com, where your satisfaction comes first.